Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Well, good morning. Happy Saturday.
I always keep on running when everybody waits, following this heart of mine through every stormy day.
Just waking up, getting up. It's Saturday. Medford, or on the Dry Rider Craig's Memorial Run this weekend. If I didn't have these brothers and sisters, I don't know what I would do. Last night I didn't even have a really good blanket, so my brother gave me this Army one down in it. There's my pillow for the night, because I forgot to pack a pillow. I remembered everything but a pillow, and I think I forgot one other thing, but yeah, looking to have a good day today, one day at a time. Love you guys.
It's what makes me feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel keep on running when everybody waits, following this heart of mine through every stormy day. Hey, hey. Reaching for the stars and dreaming all the way, climbing high over the odds. These walls won't make me stay. It's what makes me feel alive. Stop me now, I feel alive. Nothing can stop me.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not climbing the one with the ladder.
Okay, yeah, that looks a little bit challenging. But I like a challenge. Oh, we got books in here to sign. Are we gonna do it, Tom? Alright, we're doing it. You doing it, Sonic?
He's at the top already.
Oh, of course he is.
Freaking child.
We've got 20 years on us.
Hey, we only got 3 more.
Oh.
3 more. We can do 3 more. No, I'm terrified of heights. Bullshit. Where else are you supposed to look?
Good job, bud. We made it tonight. There's a fence and a railing, so.
Oh, I don't like that.
Hey.
It's a breeze. That's how.
Calling me, leaving all my fears behind. I'm weightless, flying free. It's what made makes me
Called the Hill-Ogema.
feel alive.